Imagine if your body had a literal The first and most powerful key to flipping your youth switch is found in a fruit used for centuries as a symbol of life, the pomegranate. But here is the secret most people miss. It's not the fruit itself that does the magic. It's what your gut does with it. When you eat pomegranate, your gut bacteria transform its compounds into a miracle molecule called Urolithin A. This molecule is the direct finger that presses your mitophagy switch. It travels through your blood, enters your cells, and tells your body to start the deep cleaning process immediately. Think of Urolithin A as the ultimate cellular upgrade. In clinical studies, this single molecule has been shown to improve muscle strength and endurance by simply making the mitochondria more efficient. It's one of the only substances on Earth that can actually retrain your cells to be young again. However, not everyone has the right gut bacteria to make this happen. This is why focusing on your microbiome is essential. By feeding your body the right precursors, you are giving it the raw materials to keep that youth switch pressed 24/7. Youth switch, a hidden biological button that, when pressed, could clear out the cellular trash and restart your internal engines. Science has discovered that this switch isn't a myth. It's a process called mitophagy. Inside your cells, you have billions of tiny power plants called mitochondria. When you are young, they burn clean and bright. But as we age, they start to fail. They become rusty, leaking toxic waste into your system, which we feel as fatigue, wrinkles, and brain fog. This is the real reason we age fast. We aren't just getting older. We are accumulating cellular junk that our body has forgotten how to clean. The key to staying young isn't about covering up the wrinkles on the outside. It's about flipping the switch on the inside. When you activate mitophagy, you are sending a signal to your body to identify every broken, toxic power plant and replace it with a brand new one. It's like replacing an old, smoking car engine with a high-performance electric motor. This is the foundation of longevity. By understanding how to flip this switch, you stop being a victim of time and start becoming the architect of your own energy. If you're ready to discover how to flip your internal youth switch, subscribe to Dr. Mike Longevity. We're dedicated to showing you the science of staying at your peak. The second superfood trigger for your youth switch is hidden in wheat germ and aged ferments. It contains a compound called Spermidine. If Urolithin A is the finger that flips the switch, Spermidine is the biological broom that sweeps the entire factory floor. While we want to fix our power plants, we also need to clear out the zombie cells, cells that refuse to die and instead sit around causing inflammation and pain. Spermidine triggers a deep cellular cleanout that targets these zombies specifically. When you incorporate spermidine-rich foods into your diet, you are essentially giving your cells a fresh start signal. It helps your body recycle damaged proteins before they can clump together and cause memory loss or physical stiffness. The result isn't just internal, it's visible. People with high levels of cellular recycling often notice thicker hair, stronger nails, and skin that glows with natural energy. It's about more than just looking young. It's about your body functioning with the efficiency of someone half your age. The third trigger consists of deep pigmented berries: blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These aren't just snacks. They are packed with anthocyanins, which act as the guardians of your mitochondrial engines. While the first two superfoods focus on recycling the old, these berries focus on protecting the new. They create a protective shield around your power plants, preventing the rust from forming in the first place. This dual action, recycling the old and protecting the new, is the ultimate formula for stopping aging in its tracks. By eating a handful of these berries daily, you are providing your mitochondria with the antioxidant armor they need to survive the stresses of modern life. Whether it's pollution, poor sleep, or stress, these guardians ensure that your power plants stay healthy for decades longer than average. When you combine the cleaning power of pomegranates and wheat germ with the protective power of berries, you have completed the longevity triangle. You are no longer just hoping for good health. You are actively enforcing it at a microscopic level. Even with the world's best superfoods, your youth switch needs a reason to stay on. This is where healthy stress, or hormesis, comes into play. To really force your body to use those superfoods effectively, you need to challenge it. When you practice intermittent fasting or take a quick cold shower, your body enters survival mode. In this mode, it realizes it cannot afford to be lazy. It looks at its broken, rusty mitochondria and says, "We need to recycle these now to survive." This is why people who fast or exercise regularly look and feel younger. They are constantly forcing their mitophagy crew to work overtime. When you combine these habits with our 3 superfoods, the results are tripled. The superfoods provide the tools, and the healthy stress provides the motivation. You are essentially telling your body that being old and slow is not an option. This synergy is the secret of the world's top biohackers and centenarians who remain active well into their 90s. The truth about stopping aging is that it's not about a single miracle pill. It's about a lifestyle designed around cellular renewal. You now have the knowledge of the youth switch and the 3 superfoods that trigger it. You understand that pomegranates clean the engines, spermidine sweeps the floors, and berries protect the future. You are no longer in the dark about why your energy levels might be dipping or why your body feels different than it used to. You have the map. The journey to longevity is a marathon, not a sprint, but it's a race you can absolutely win. By taking command of your cellular health today, you are ensuring a future of vitality, clarity, and strength. At Dr. Mike Longevity, our mission is to give you the science-backed tools to stay young, stay healthy, and live your best life for as long as possible. The youth switch is right there, waiting for you to flip it. What are you waiting for? Start your renewal today. Take control of your biological destiny. Subscribe to Dr. Mike Longevity, and let's rewrite your future together. See you in the next video.